This is our Forex blog for May 6th, 2016. Very busy week, lots and lots of trades. I want to start by going over our stats for the week, and then I'll show you some examples of the charts. Keep in mind that these stats are done the same way I've always done them, and they're mainly for my own use. Each day I will fix some trades that show up that don't look very good, that don't meet the original trade pattern and all the documented pictures and stats I keep in the database. And so those trades that I have fixed are not on this list. And I also will add 5 to sometimes up to 10 new trades each day that wouldn't have been here during live trading. So keep that in mind, but the stats are the exact same, done the exact same way day after day, week after week, going back over a year that I've shown these in the Forex blog video. So you can kind of compare. You'll see over time there's a lot more trades. The winning percentage, I would say on average, has gone up. And also it tends to catch way more big trades now than in the past, and you will see that if you watch back over the years. Alright, so this is Friday's. Found a ton of trades. 902 pips, 51 trades, and the key to trading is small losses, big wins. These are all trades that made money or one of them broke even. And you can see the average win is 34.7 pips, whereas the average loss is only 6.7. So this is one of the best win to loss ratio days I think we've ever had. And obviously it's easy to see with 100, 80, 60, 50, 50, 50, 50. Lots of huge wins. Most people would be happy to get this many trades in an entire week. So the next day is Thursday. A lot fewer trades. 392 pips. Let's look at the average loss. 6.1. The average win. 23. So almost 4 times bigger wins than loss, and you can see slightly more than half, barely over 50% winning. The previous day, lots of trades, 355 pips. The average loss only about 8, a little less than 8. The average win 18. So it's a little over 2 times bigger wins and about 50-50 that day. Some days are choppier, some days trends don't continue on pullbacks. Some days counter-trend methods don't work at all. This day is again about 50-50, 760 pips, mostly because of a few big wins. You can see the average loss is 6.7 pips, so under 7 pips. The average win, 36 pips. Now, even if you take out the highest 4 or 5 trades and look, you can see it's still 24 pips with some of these insane trades out. And if you subtract some of those big wins, you still have 306 pips. So the previous day, not as many trades, only 34, 484 pips net. Not many losses, 6 pips average loss, and the average win 23. So 4 times bigger win than loss. Clearly 65% winning. And that's it for Sunday, Monday, I believe. So now let's look at some of the examples of the trades. Here's a euro dollar. There's only one trade that day, good for about 40 pips. Look at it on Thursday. You have a small 5 or 6 pip loss, and then you have a narrow range breakout right here that was good for 10, 20, 30, 40 or so pips. Pound dollar, a lot of good trades on Friday. Nice 30 or 40 pip win here, 5 pip loss, 15 or 20 pip win, 60 or 70 pip win. 3 or 4 pip win or loss, 15 pip loss it looks like there, 30 pip win, 8 pip loss. Previous day, 8 pip loss, but the previous one was about a 20-25 pip win, 40 or 45 pip win, 25 to 30 pip win, 8 pip loss. And the key is small losses, big wins. That's pretty much the entire thing I focus on. If I see a trade that I would like to take, so for instance, this is clearly in a downtrend. It's a 2-wave up move. This one probably did not show up because it didn't quite get to the Fibonacci profit target levels. I like to sell 2-wave pullbacks after a new low is made, and so it didn't quite meet that rule, and it missed this trade, but it wasn't a huge trade. I try to code up picture perfect trades, so you can see about an 8 or 9 pip loss here, and the previous one is about 15-20 pips. The previous day, none. Previous day, small loss here, big win. Here's the euro yen. Only one trade on Friday, but it was a huge one, about 70 pips. Previous day, 5 pip win, 8 pip loss, 8 pip loss, followed by a 20 pip win. So this win got rid of those 2 losses, break even, and you got a 30 pip win here. Here's the dollar CAD. And this is one of those explosive up moves where I look to buy multiple wave down pullbacks. This is the hourly moving average, I believe. And you can see that that one went up about 60 pips. Previously, you have about an 8 pip loss here. Previous day, small win, you pretty much break even. 20 pips, 30 pips, 10 pips. Here's some other ones. The New Zealand yen. This is a new pattern that I put in that looks for extreme weakness and little mini double bottoms at the lows. You can see a pretty big win here. But this one had a lot of wins that day. Win, pretty much break even, small win, 8 pip loss. And this one, you would exit this trade at the end of the day. But it's more than likely to work on the open today. This particular trade here, by the way, I believe the exact same pattern is coded up in this one. Yeah, right here. Now this one gapped up and came down. It's a little mini double top right there when a slew of rules has to hit. But this one back tested 100%. Found a couple other trades earlier in the week and 2 big ones on Friday. But you can see small loss, win, break even, a 5 pip loss, 30 pip win, 40 or 45 pip win. Then we have 2 15 pip losses there in a row, which happens. New Zealand dollars, only 1 trade. Clearly it's in a downtrend. More than likely it went to one of the Fibonacci areas, Fibonacci pullback, and good for a lot of pips, followed by 8 or 9 pip loss after that. And here's the last one, Swiss yen, small loss, followed by about a 30 pip win, followed by another 25 pip win.